I'm about to transform everything you can do in Welsh just by giving you one single word. And that word is HWNNA. It means that or that one. Now, there are other terms for that, but colloquially and in speech and in the wild, you're more likely to hear HWNNA. So we're going to stick with that. It means that or that one. You ready for this? Okay, so HWNNA, os gwelwch yn dda. That one, please. HWNNA, os gwelwch yn dda. HWNNA. That one. HWNNA. Beth ydi hwnna? What's that? Beth ydi hwnna? Pwy ydi hwnna? Who's that? Pwy ydi hwnna? Oh yeah, pryd ma hwnna? When's that? Pryd ma hwnna? Dwi'n hoffi hwnna. I like that. Dwi'n hoffi hwnna. Dwi ddim yn hoffi hwnna. I don't like that. I don't like that one. Dwi ddim yn hoffi hwnna. Wyt ti'n hoffi hwnna? Do you like that? Do you like that one? Wyt ti'n hoffi hwnna? Let's swap out hoffi for isio, to want. Dwi isio hwnna. I want that. I want that one. Dwi isio hwnna. Dwi ddim isio hwnna. I don't want that. I don't want that one. Dwi ddim isio hwnna. Wyt ti isio hwnna? Do you want that? Do you want that one? Wyt ti isio hwnna? What about, ma hwnna'n cool. That's cool. That one's cool. Ma hwnna'n neis. That's nice. That one's nice. Oh, ma hwnna'n drist. Oh, that's sad. Oh, ma hwnna'n drist. What about gai? May I or may I have? Gai hwnna, os gwelwch yn dda. Can I have that one? Can I have that, please? So there you go. One word, HWNNA, and all those phrases that come with it. Beautiful.